I am Dan with Honeymooners Off-Road Adventures, and we're full-time travelers. Today we're kind of going through a little bit of adjustment on the Jeep, so I thought I'd give this put it on film for you guys so that you can learn from us also. So what I'm taking off is what we referred to as the baby Connexes, and it's these containers here that we had up on top of the Jeep. Really nice secured drawer system or cargo storage that also locked with a key. But had all kinds of good room in there. It was very well designed. Didn't have any issues with any sort of dust or weather getting in there. Really the only issue that we really had was side wind when we were down south, because there was a lot of heavy side wind, and it really kind of rocked around the Jeep a bit. So with that, I'm also being on the road for over a year now. We're downsizing, so we don't need such as big either, and this will also help with that whole wind issue that we have. So I purchased these ones right here. They're 48 inches and a lot more lower profile. Basically what this is a gun case, is the way it's described on Amazon. Let's open it up. So this thing does come with two wheels on the back side here, if you want to use it for other things to move around. Like I said, it is a gun case, basically. It does have a locking points where you can put in two locks to help secure it, versus this one here, it actually had a key lock system with it on this one here, which was pretty nice. And so as you can see, it comes with foam. This foam here is actually all perforated. If you look on there where you push down, you can see where it's already cut. So that way, if you're laying anything like camera gear or anything like that you want a little bit more secured, you could just easily form that right into there. Then you have the top. However, the way I'm going to do mine, because I'm more needing the space, so I'm actually just going to get rid of all that. Just like that. That's the way we're going to use this. So then the way I'm going to secure this up there on the top is that I'm going to match the holes on my roof rack and drill holes through it and bolt it down. So that way it'll be nice and secure so nobody can steal it. So as you can see, I've already got one installed, and I'll take the camera up there and kind of show you the way it's fastened down. All right, so here we are up on top of the Jeep. I have this one already fixed on there. As you can see, I just basically drilled holes, put the bolts through and bolted it all down so it's nice and secured. I've only opted to use 6 on this because that's what even worked on the other ones, and it worked great on there. So it was a pretty fast install. And then as you can see over here from the tracks, the way it slides through, I've already got the screws set in place for the next one over there. And to get those holes drilled and just set it in, and we'll be done. It's nice, quick, simple, easy installation. So these containers here, the new ones that I bought, I actually bought for about 180 bucks a piece on Amazon. I do have Amazon affiliate links. I'll put that down link below. You'll see them on there. They'll vary. I've been watching them for a while, where it's been between 160 to about 200 bucks floating in there, depending on what coupons and stuff like that happen to be out. And then these other ones, these aluminum ones that I had, at the time I bought those were about $250 a piece, and that was about a year and a half, 2 years ago when I bought those. I'll also leave you the link down below for that too, because these were excellent containers. I really liked them. It was just the big thing was we're downsizing, so we don't need all that space. And then 2 was the side wind on the Jeep, which, it's also heavily lifted, so that side wind, you really feel it. And then on top of that, like I sold these ones here to a friend of mine. He's building a utility trailer, so that's going to work perfect for him to put all of his contractor kind of tools and stuff like that in. So if that's something that you need too, I would highly recommend these aluminum ones. They're nice and secure, clean looking, and plenty of room. So I thank you for joining us. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to help me out on my channel, and we'll see you next time.